today I'm gonna go make a boat. Now I can't say where I am getting the materials for this boat because it wouldn't be as funny that way. So I'm at a place getting things for my boat. Okay, I have the materials for my boat now. Now we're gonna go down to the river, which is only over that way, like less than a mile, and then we're gonna float my boat. Okay, so because the river is so high, I plan to take my boats and then throw them off that way and float them down that way, downstream, and see if I can go see them down further. This can either work or it won't. I feel like it won't, but there's this slight possibility that cantaloupes make good boats. But once I throw these, I have to go downstream really, really fast because the river is moving really, really fast, or else I'll miss them. So basically I'm just gonna toss them in, grab this camera, and then go. They're already going really fast. I have to go faster. Okay. The reason I bought two is because one probably wouldn't work too well, so I got two, just in case one didn't work. I can see one of them, like right in there, but I gotta go really, really fast for this to be able to work, or for me to be able to see them. I'm right at where I want to be looking out for the boats, or cantaloupes right now. Enjoy these quick scenes of things at the river while I wait. All the way over there. You definitely can't see it. Oh, you can. It's right there. Right there. That's it. That's it. There's one all the way over there. That's definitely a cantaloupe. There's one. I don't see another. There should be a second one here somewhere. That is definitely a cantaloupe. It worked. It worked. I don't see a second though. It should be coming through like right there, the first one. I don't see it. It should have came by like right at the same time. I almost just fell into the river. I don't see it yet. I don't see it yet. I don't think it's here. So cantaloupes as boats are somewhat of a success because, well, I guess 50% of a success. Because one came through, one didn't, so 50%. That was cool though. I actually didn't think I'd see either of them. I still don't see the second one. Oh, well, that was cool. I also definitely thought about just walking all the way under there across because there's a lot of traffic right now and I don't want to go up, cross there, and then cross there again. So that would be a lot faster. But I will most definitely fall in. Okay, back in the car. I'm on my way home.